Hello, this is Lightning Dragon here, and today I will be telling you how to make a crane. Feel free to pause the video whenever you like. Alright, so to start off, you need a square piece of paper. Go to my first origami video of how to make a dragon if you don't know how to make a square. Wait, before I said a cube, didn't I? Oops. Oh well, I mean a square, not a cube, okay? Alright, so make a fold like that. I've already done that because I made the square out of a rectangular piece of paper. So yeah, then do the same on the other side. I'm not sure if you can see this very well, but just maybe that. Oh, no, that's falling over. Alright, that's the best I can do. Sorry if you can't see it very well. So make sure the tips are perfectly touching like that. And on both tips where you haven't folded yet, just get them nice and sharp looking. It's important to do as well as you can on these folds, because these ones are actually quite well, these ones aren't that important, but later on there will be some important folds, like very important folds that if you get wrong will cost the wings of your crane. Yeah, that's right. You heard right, cost the wings of your crane, because the wings are important, and the folds, if you mess them up, then the wings won't be proper. So unfold, flip, push down in the middle, and book fold twice to both sides. So yeah, again, making it as making the edges touch as well as you can. And then do the same on the other side. Unfold, no, you don't need to unfold. Here's a trick that lets you skip that one. Well, lets you skip one fold, which is when it's like that, just like when it's like that, just like you can't. I don't think. Yeah, so fold like this. Yeah, like that. So it becomes the bird base. Yay! If you're trying to get it perfect though, I wouldn't do my quick way. So then fold so that bit is on the crease that's in the middle. Unfold and then open up the pocket like that, and then push that in so it's folded like that. So yeah, that's what I just did. Now, if you mess up this bit, then these are the ones that will cost you your crane's wings. So, if you mess up, redo the fold. And you really don't want to make your crane's wings bad, because the crane's wings, getting them bad can result in most of it being bad. So once it's like that, fold up, making the wings like on the dragon. And then repeat on the other side. Oh yeah, you don't need the music. I just like to make the music, so if it's annoying, just turn the volume down. You don't even really need volume unless you want me to maybe explain things a bit. Oh, I accidentally folded the wing down, so make sure both wings are up like... Oops, I messed up. Only a tiny bit though, which is good. So eventually it should be like that. Then fold like this, like with the dragon, but unlike the dragon, you do it on both edges and both faces. So yeah, and do not do any of that if you're trying to make a flapping crane. I'll do the flapping crane in a separate video, just so I don't have to do one in the same video. So yeah, look out for my origami playlist that I will be creating. Now once you've got that, fold these out like that and fold up and out like so. And if you messed up on the wings, then this will be messed up too. So just try to keep it fine like that. So this is like the WASP. Right, so in this video I'm not just doing a crane, I'm also doing a WASP. The WASP is the same as the crane, except the tail is down instead of up, which is not that big a difference. So the tail is down, making it like a stinger instead. So that is the WASP completed. Now, to make it a crane, fold the wings back up like that. And like on the neck and head, do this. Like so. Oops. Oops, this one. Right. Yeah, so once you've got this, if you're making a crane, fold these wings down again, and that is your crane completed. Yep, so that's all. Yeah, thanks for watching. Please leave a like. Wait, I can't say that yet, because there's one more step for the crane. pull the wings out and push that in a bit. You can also put your fingers in there if it helps, and push, just like with the dragon, but not as deep. So there, that is the crane completed. And if you want to make it stand up, this also applies to the dragon. Do that. Other side, do the same thing, like that, and then stands up. And that is your crane completed. Yep, so please leave a like and subscribe for more. Yeah. And yeah, once I've got some more, yeah, also comment, please. So yeah, that's your crane slash wasp. Yeah, oops, wait. Just need, yeah, might be a bit confusing with me repeating myself like that. I'll just explain. I accidentally pressed the home button and went out of camera. So, yeah. This is your crane that also transforms into a wasp. Completed. Yeah, so bye.